Alright, so what are we doing, guys?
We're gonna go up to Pilot Mountain.
Alright, so first time we drive by it all the time, but we've never been there.
Nope, never.
So we're gonna see what's there.
Guys, so what I got here is the canopy. It comes in a bag, nice bag. Has this little rope in here with a little ball, and it's just that normal push and pull style. I don't know what they call them. And it comes with a whole bunch of these balls with a little rope on it. And if you're familiar with this style, pretty much anything that is tubular like this, or round, or even sometimes square, they'll work. It hurts more on your fingers when they're square. So you pretty much take it and wrap it around, and then it locks in just like that and becomes a solid joint. Alright, so here's the nut right here, and pretty much for installation you literally just throw it right over top of your roll cage. Now it's, if you're with if you're just by yourself, it's normally too difficult to try to do both corners at the same time. So you need to start at one corner and just go from there. And then what I normally do is this entire side, either go to the other side and do the entire other side, or actually all Jeeps have it's a ring in the center of the windshield for actually tying down the windshield when you lay it down. And that's what, if you've ever wondered what that hook is, or that loop on your hood is for, it's so when you tilt the windshield down, it actually holds the windshield from bouncing up and down. Because for some reason all Jeeps have foldable windshields. I'm not sure why they have it, but it's a cool feature. Nobody actually uses it that I've seen, unless, you know, you're doing something funky with it. Okay, you feed it through the hole, and since I'm doing it one-handed, I'll just pull it all the way through. Either way. So you pull it over the top and take the ball through. Actually, that needs to be at the top. Always try to keep it at the top of the bar. You don't want it down here like this, because it just doesn't come out with a very good result. So, and you repeat this process for the entire side, and it'll pretty much stretch tight all the way back here like this. Work with me. Work with me. Alright, it'll pretty much stretch tight like that. And then there's one in the center. This goes right up here like this and hooks in the center. The windshield hook there. Bottom. Remember, make a point with the rope, put it through the hole, and put the rope over top of the ball, and it locks it in place. And just keep repeating. Point through. This is a really nice top versus an entire bikini top. This one actually breathes. It's kind of the point of the design. Now that one that's in the center of the windshield, I think they make that bungee pretty loose on purpose, because you don't want to have it very stiff, since normally that's the last one going on. Now the only thing I haven't done here is pull it 100% tight. It normally doesn't matter how hard you pull it, because the wind will figure out a way for it to work loose or whatever it ends up doing with it. So, I mean, it's not bad, but normally you have to readjust a couple times to get it to go, but it normally stays relatively close. It's getting pretty tight right there. It does pretty good as far as the wind. It doesn't whip a whole lot. I like that about this. And that's pretty much it. Let's have you guys take a look at it from above. So this is what it looks like from above. Of course, it's breathable, as you can see. Got the one with the American flag design.
But now my only win is now, and my only wear is when I'm by your side. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on laughing. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun.
Oh, see, he's already got trouble. Oh. Not a problem there. Oh. So I gotta be honest, I didn't know that they had all this here. Pretty cool. So, is this where people come up here and hang off?
No, that's Hanging Rock.
Hanging
This is
Rock.
Pilot Mountain.
Well,
People usually don't
I would
fall
think
off
I would
this.
think you could fall right there.
Well, they don't go over there though.
Hmm.
People usually don't. You don't hear that in the news of people falling off Pilot Mountain.
What's going on with Sig? Yes, I see.
Traction control.
I see. Some technical difficulties. Man, Harley. Can you imagine if they cleared some paths? This would be some fun trails up here.
Yeah.
That would be cool. So, got Pilot Mountain in the background. When we're always going by it on, what are we going on 52? 52, it looks like a cap. Top,
Yes,
top
yes.
hat or whatever to us. So anyway, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's available for rock climbing.
Yeah, you can go
But
up.
we don't have rock climbing gear.
You see all the stuff.
Oh, so, yeah,
I
cool.
see you walk over there too, but I mean, yeah, we don't have the rock climbing gear.
I'm telling you, they need to clean a few trees out.
Do some Jeep trail.
Oh man, this would be great jeeping.
They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the
Oh, look how far you
sun.
can
Whoa, I just wanna lie in the sun. Yeah, lie in the sun. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on laughing. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun.